I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
So to change the pool table into a dining table, I think we'll have to make our own benches. It's not quite the right height as a normal table would be.
So we went online and found a few church pews, and I think they're going to be perfect seating. Walker. We gave Walker a call. He's going to pick up the church pews and bring them down.
You play much pool growing up? I did, with your older brother, actually.
Yeah?
Pool hall rats. My name's Brian Walker, and I'm a geotechnical engineer. So boys gave me a shout. They often do. And it just so happened that there was church pews available not too far from where I live. So I borrowed Kevin's truck and I rolled in here with a couple of church pews. Love the pool table, but I don't see how it goes with church pews.
We're making a table, a dining table.
We eating right on the felt?
Eat off this. It's going to be a 3-leaf table.
This is actually a fairly easy project.
Easy to get wrong.
I don't know, dude, it's pretty low like that.
The pews were low and the table's quite high, so when you sit at it, it's like you're a kid again.
Judy came up with a really good idea to just scab a couple pieces on the bottom.
A 2x8 board would probably do
Pretty reasonable.
What about the pews, boys, in terms of like matching all this together?
You finish the tabletop in something that's gonna bring it to that, which is probably a light stain.
I don't like this color, though.
This is the most plain pew.
I thought this was gonna be easy, but it's got a few little nuances here that are gonna take some time to make it look really good.
The pews were quite low, the table's quite high, so I took a few blocks, 2x6, and cut them the same size as the legs, traced out the indents onto them, and tried to match the cut in the bottom of the pew. So I tried again, and the second time was the charm. It matched up pretty nicely. And then I just applied some wood glue and drilled in some long shoulder screws for support. So it's a bit of an ugly transition from one kind of wood to the other. I think I'll get some stain and see if I can't either match it or make it stand out.
So we got the church pews, and they look okay, but they need a little something.
They're pretty ugly.
You're not sold on the color, right?
I want to burn it.
I think that's a great idea. It's not like you just walk to the church pew store and get a different set of pews. So Andrew had the good idea of putting a blowtorch on it. I'll tell you what, I think burning this thing might be really cool.
Like even if you just do that and the grain comes out.
It melted off the wax that was on there and kind of gave it a burnt look. A little sand and the whole thing makes it kind of look old and weathered.
That's pretty good, eh? We can make that work.
And if they catch on fire, we stand. Standing table. So I took them out into the backyard, got the tiger torch going, and burnt the shit out of them. It's a little bit weird burning church pews. It felt a little bit strange. Easy way to get rid of stain. The ends have the burnt look. I'm gonna sand them out to kind of smooth that burn look out and kind of make it look almost patina. And sanded down the actual part that you sit on in the backrest. And we're gonna finish that with a nice clear coat.
All right, looks like you got a handle on this.
The boys kind of handed that one off to me, and they're working on trimming out the actual tabletop. This week, our challenge was to convert a pool table into a fancy dining table. We splurged on the maple veneer top and trimmed it out with elegant walnut that sets the table for our harvest feast. The church pews fit perfectly and provided tons of seating for when the family's in town. And our flamethrower finishing job worked really well to bring out the grain.
Our barn board lamp has that classic billiards look, but also feels at home as our dining room chandelier. Our guests are about to arrive, so we're really hoping our decor and homemade food will prove once and for all that we can host a classy soiree.